Oh, just take a look at this beautiful cake. It was made from scratch in a blender. Wow. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making cake with 5 major ingredients in a blender. So if you're interested in this type of content, please stay tuned. Do not go anywhere. Follow me to the kitchen. So guys, for this cake, we're going to be needing 250 grams of flour. We're going to be needing 100 grams of sugar. We're also going to be needing 3 big eggs. If you don't have big eggs, then you should use 4 small eggs. We're going to be using milk. This is the fourth ingredient. We're going to be using milk. And then we're going to be using 250 grams of butter. Then the additional ingredients, these 5 ingredients that we're going to be using, is just vanilla powder, vanilla flavor in powder form, and we're going to be using nutmeg. So guys, let's dive straight into this interesting video. So you're going to start with the butter. I'm going to start with the butter. I'm just breaking it down. You can also melt the butter before you put it in the blender if you like. Then I'm going to add in my sugar, 100 grams. So after putting the butter and the sugar into the blender, I'm going to just add a little oil so that the thing can, blend. So now you will add in 1 egg so that the butter can be able to move around in the blender. If it's too thick, it won't be able to blend. It will just be still. So that's what we're doing here now. I'm just going to blend it now, cover it and blend it. You can see it's blending, but it's even very thick all the same. So while that one is on blending, I'll just prepare my eggs and other ingredients. So you break in the 2 remaining eggs, the 2 eggs that are remaining. Then you whisk it thoroughly. Whisk it very, very well. Now it's whisked enough, I'll add in the milk. Mix the milk inside. So what I'm basically doing here is I'm making my dry ingredients and my wet ingredients. But since I'm not using liquid milk, I just decided to add this milk into the egg directly. So now mixing in the dry ingredients. This is my already sieved flour. To it I'll add nutmeg, the flavor. I'm going to put in baking powder, 3 teaspoons. Sorry I didn't show this earlier when I was displaying the items I'm using, but 3 teaspoons of baking powder. First you start with the wet ingredients. So I'm going to put in some portion of my egg and milk. Then I'll just blend it so that one can mix in. Then I'm going to put in my dry ingredients, that's the flour mixture. I'm also going to put a portion of this. Then I'll also blend it. So you repeat the process again. Put in your wet ingredients, you blend, then you put in the dry ingredients and blend. So this is the look of my batter at the end of the process. I'm going to pour it into a already prepared pan. So now I'm going to go and put it in the oven
and it will be there. I'll check it after 30 minutes. It's going to be in the oven for say 45 minutes.
Oh, awesome. So,
Let me know if you'll be trying this in the comment section below.